Hey everyone, in this quick guide, we're fixing a common issue when your LG monitor sound just isn't working. First things first, not every LG monitor has built-in speakers. Yeah, sounds obvious, but it's a common miss. So check your monitor's manual or the LG website to confirm if your model actually supports audio. If your monitor does have speakers, adjust the volume using the little joystick button underneath. Push it left or right to change sound levels. You should see the volume bar pop up on screen. No sound? Then it might be the cable. Check if your HDMI or DisplayPort is firmly connected, and also look for bent pins or damaged ports. If in doubt, try swapping with another cable to test. Alright, if you're still stuck, let's check Windows. Down on the bottom right, click the speaker icon. From there, open the playback device list. Make sure your LG monitor is selected as the output device. Quick tip here, plug in earphones or use your PC's built-in speakers. If those also don't work, then yeah, the problem is likely your PC sound driver, not the monitor. As a last step, reinstall your sound drivers, go to your PC manufacturer's website, download the latest audio driver, and install it fresh. That usually fixes any stubborn sound issues. And that's it. By following these checks, monitor settings, cables, Windows audio, and drivers, you should get your LG monitor sound working again.